Alright guys, welcome back. We'll start off part 2 of our Japan trip vlog here at the Nismo Omori factory. Enjoy! Sonic R34. Guys, this car is insane in person. Look at the arrow, how aggressive it is. VR38. A couple of RB26s. Something like 40,000 for the one over there. I'm not sure on the price for this one. Full carbon R34 front. Some of the trinkets here. Some parts here for the R chassis. It's really cool how Nissan continues to support these chassis so long after they're out of being manufactured. Titanium strut brace. Picked up some goodies. Might get some more stuff for the R34, I'm not sure. We're here at the Daikoku PA, the 1320 meet. It's Sunday. There's so many cars here. .260 RS. Nice 4AGE. This is the 5-valve with ITBs. Look at that manifold. Oh, you're driving. It's gorgeous. Spec back there. E30 Phantom body kit, K-swap. You don't know what's gonna pull up next. And we got a CTSV wagon, a GTR, a Corvette. We got this Lotus Esprit. And we got somebody that pulled up in a street legal race car over there. Insane. This thing definitely caught my eye. Can you believe this thing is tagged? AZ1. nicely done. S15. This one's a Varietta. It means it's the Altec hardtop convertible. It's got a super wide body on it. This beautiful build. It's a Galant VR4. Wow, the detail on this car is amazing. It's one of those cars that you really don't see built that often. Perfect example if you never know what's gonna pull up here. Look at this.
Hey, it don't matter.
And it's tagged. Love the spoiler on this STI. This beautiful Z2 and GTR. Wow. Omori factory, S1 engine. Pulling up on the Moto Campo. Oh, this is sick. Alright guys, we made it to the biggest up garage.
Which one of these are for high?
If you guys don't know what Upgarage is, it's like a second-hand part store. So you can come and sell your used parts, and then you can come and buy all kinds of stuff here. Sometimes you find some really good deals on performance parts, aftermarket parts. Sometimes there's some good finds here. Like this is a Tomei stroker crank for an RB26. Pretty good price. Nice variety of strut tower braces. Some electronics. Here we got the wall of coilovers. Here we got the wall of exhaust on the back. And we got seats. This SR7 is in very nice shape. So I find they have this the ER34, the optional Nismo exhaust. Super cool. Never seen one in person. If you've seen my other video for the R34, my car came with this system. So it's got a butterfly valve there to make the exhaust louder. There's a switch on the dash. This location has a second floor, and it's all motorcycle, bicycles, and here we got like motorcycle, moped parts. Alright, so this Upgarage location has the wheels in a separate building. Let's see what goodies we find here. So upstairs they have more wheels. Alright, we picked up some stuff at
Yes.
Upgarage.
Very
All
useful.
the boys got some stuff.
Great.
Next we're gonna go check out the next car. Here at Ruby's. So bought this Aristo from Jamar, Exporting AllThingzJDM. Came to check it out. Car's in super good shape. So it's got that black leather interior. Here with Moby, mechanic. Most important part of the car. touge GTE, twin turbo. So, aka fat body Supra here. If you guys need any JDM parts, JDM cars, or anything Japanese at all, you can hit up Exporting AllThingzJDM. They'll send it over.
I can't wait to.
Feels surreal to be here. Super cool. Got some delicious cocos with the boys here, except Johnny.
Boil. Where was it?
Or Airbnb. On Fuji. This is my room over here. This is our view from the Airbnb. This is crazy. and it's a fun to drive. So I'm going to be driving this C110 GTR on the driving tour. Super excited about driving this thing. So we're here in the Kanmeri. This is so sick. And I can't really record when I'm driving, but I'll record during the stops. So we just pulled up to our lunch break. Let me show you guys crazy lineup of cars we got out here. This is the Kanmeri that I'm driving. My buddy Efren, he's driving the Nismo R34 GTR. And my buddy Heido got the R35 GTR. Here's an S30 with an RB25 swap. Notice Elise. We got the initial D60 and so many more cool cars here. So now I swapped with Heido and I'm driving the R35. This is awesome. It's one of my dream cars and I've never driven one before. So excited. Here it is.